What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video. You guys already know by the title, today I'm going to be talking about credit cards. I mentioned it enough on the channel already, but today basically we're going to be talking about best credit cards for everywhere else, or best daily credit cards. Credit cards that aren't, above and beyond amazing, but they definitely give you the most cash back just for your basic daily purchases. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the content. Let's start the video. Let's go. If you guys are new around here, I make videos talking about all different types of personal finance topics. So that means saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards, anything under the sun relating to money. I got you covered right here on the channel. So sit back, relax, hit that like button if you like content like this, and subscribe to see more like it. So as I mentioned before, typically I make videos talking about some of the best credit cards that you can go ahead and pick up. Some of them like the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card, link in the description if you want to pick this up. But credit cards like this, where you get the best possible cash back for your value of the money, whether this one's an annual fee or if a card doesn't have an annual fee, I'll just tell you some of the best credit cards you can pick up. Typically speaking, when you get a pretty solid cashback credit card, the everywhere else category, meaning everywhere else that you make purchases besides the ones where you might get 5, 4, 3, or 2% back, you'll get 1% back with that particular credit card. So basically today, we're going to be looking at all those credit cards that give you that nice bonus in the everywhere else category. Overall, let's start with the first card on the list. And the first card on the list is the Citi Double Cash credit card. The Citi Double Cash credit card is a super basic credit card, but it offers you 2% back everywhere, no matter what. It's all unlimited. You'll get 1% back when you actually go and buy something, and you'll also get another 1% back when you go and pay for it on your credit card statement, and you only have to make the minimum payment. But you guys already know around here, if you're going to use a credit card, use it the right way. Make sure you're paying it off in full every single month. The Citi Double Cash is also a no annual fee card, and on top of that, you'll get a 0% APR for the first 18 months on balance transfers. So if you want to if you have a high balance on another credit card and you want to move it on over to the Citi credit card and get no interest for 18 months, then you can do that with the Citi Double Cash back credit card. Simple as that. Let's move on to the next credit card. About a month ago, I just found out about this credit card, and that is the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature credit card. If you have any type of eligible Fidelity account, then this credit card, of course, is 100% perfect for you. You'll get an unlimited 2% cash back on those eligible accounts, and those eligible accounts are a Fidelity brokerage account, a Fidelity cash management account, a Fidelity 529 college savings plan account, all the retirement accounts for Fidelity, Fidelity Go accounts, Fidelity charitable giving accounts, and also Fidelity HSAs. Other than that, this card also has no annual fee. The third credit card on this list today also works well if you're actually planning on using all of their accounts, because you just get more benefits by using all of their accounts. Either way, that third credit card is the SoFi credit card. The SoFi credit card offers you an unlimited 2% cash back as long as you're redeeming that for an investing, a saving, or overall paying down a debt using a SoFi account. You'll also receive an extra $100 if you open and fund a SoFi money account as well as a SoFi invest account after getting approved for the credit card. They offer no annual fee, they lower the interest rate over time, they have no foreign transaction fees, and on top of that, you'll get a $10 Lyft credit when you take 5 rides per month. So I'm not gonna lie, if you're interested in SoFi, then that's a pretty solid deal, but not as good as my favorite one on this list today, and the next one on this list today, which is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. Now, so far, all the credit cards that I mentioned offer an unlimited 2% cash back. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a little bit different. It's actually a little bit less at an unlimited 1.5% cash back, but I personally think that it definitely makes up for it with all the different types of cashback categories that you get as well for a no annual fee card. So I got some notes right here. I'm gonna run through it because I'm not gonna be able to remember this off the top of my head. So let's get into it. The Chase Freedom Unlimited offers that unlimited 1.5% cash back on everything. You'll get 3% back at drugstores, another 3% back on dining at restaurants or takeout or eligible delivery services. You'll get another 5% back on Chase Travel when you buy that through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, which is pretty simple to use and actually pretty nice. You'll also get another 5% back on Lyft rides up until March of 2022, another 5% back on grocery purchases up to $12,000 in the first year. Of course, like I mentioned before, it's no annual fee. You'll get 3 free months of DoorDash Dash Pass, as well as a 0% APR for the first 15 months for opening the account, as well as balance transfer, so that's nice as well. And lastly, the icing on the cake is you'll get $200 cash back when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening the card. They also offer other protection benefits, but I'm not going to list them all here because we would be here all day. Either way, definitely go on over to Chase's website and check it out if you're interested in the card. And if you really are interested in the card and you want to grab it, I have a link down below. If you use that link down below, then you'll get even more money back when you go and actually sign up and get approved for the Chase Freedom Unlimited. I personally have the Chase Sapphire Preferred right here, and I also have the Chase Freedom Flex as well as the Chase Business Unlimited. So if you're interested in those cards, definitely use my links down below you'll get a little bit kickback for it. I'll get a little bit kickback for it, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much. Let's move on to the next card. I'm not gonna lie to you, the last 2 credit cards on this list don't really do that much for me personally, but I still want to mention it for you because there's still information that you might not know about. So the first of the 2 is actually the Capital One Quicksilver Rewards credit card. The Quicksilver Rewards credit card offers you an unlimited 1.5% cashback on everything, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and lastly, 0% no APR for the first 15 months of you having the card. Now, the second of the last 2 credit cards I definitely was not going to include on this list today. I'm not really a big fan of this company at all, but I want to bring you guys the information, and this is all the information I could find. So here we go. The last credit card on this list today, which I honestly don't recommend because I don't like the company, like I said before, that's my personal opinion, is the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. They offer you an unlimited 2% cash back on everything. They have no annual fee. When you sign up, the 0% APR actually works on opening balances as well as balance transfers for the first 15 months. And lastly, you'll get $200 back when you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months as well. And there you go. That's 6 different credit cards I just put on your radar for basically the best everywhere else credit cards, basically the best daily cash back credit cards if you don't already have other credit cards that give you a lot of other stuff benefits wise. So these are the best ones to go for. As I mentioned before, if I could look through them right now, like I said before, the Capital One and the Wells Fargo are probably my least favorite. Wells Fargo, just don't like them as a company. I don't like their business moves. I don't like anything they're really doing for the past couple years now. They've been in the news a lot. Just check out Wells Fargo. They've been in the news for a lot of negative stuff. So not a big fan of them. I don't have any Wells Fargo products, but I know a lot of people that do, and they've had a lot of issues with them. Capital One's cool, but I mean, I think it's better cards on this list that can do the same thing. Like the City Double Cash, and the City Double Cash is probably the only one I really go for just because it's so basic. You get a limited 2% back on everything, just a super solid credit card, nothing wrong with it, and you also get that 0% APR for 18 months. The Fidelity, if you actually have a Fidelity account, then I would run with the Fidelity one for sure. No big deal there. I do like Fidelity a lot, but I haven't been using my Fidelity account pretty much actively that much. So if you do use Fidelity a lot, I see no reason why not to pick up this card. You can literally get the cash back and put it right back into your investments. I think that's pretty cool. If you have SoFi or you plan on signing up for SoFi, definitely solid to get the SoFi credit card. It makes a lot of sense. You can redeem that for money back, I think crypto, investing, all that stuff. So really solid stuff there. And lastly, I would say my favorite one, of course, is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I personally don't have the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card because I have the Chase Freedom Flex, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, as well as the Chase Business Unlimited. So there's really no need for me to get that card, but if I didn't have one of those cards, if I didn't have the Chase Freedom Flex, then I would definitely have the Chase Freedom Unlimited. And like I said before, if you're interested in signing up for that card or the Chase Sapphire or any of the other cards, I'll have videos up there talking about it and links down there for you to go and click on. They'll give me a kickback, and you would kick back as well when it comes to actually signing up for that credit card. So thank you very much for that. Other than that, those are the best daily cashback credit cards, or the best credit cards for everywhere else. I recommend most of them. Just the last 2 is like, it's whatever. Either way, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with a like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to see more content like it. Make sure you check out my links down below. My links down below will get you access to my free Discord where we talk about everything personal finance in there. It'll also get you access to my Patreon if you want to support the channel even further. Check out the other links down below to get yourself some free stocks, some free cryptocurrency, and also some free money back in gas if you're interested. And past all of that, that's pretty much it for the video. So thank you for watching. As always, take care of yourselves, stay hydrated, stay safe. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.